Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually install the AnTuTu Benchmark application in your Android device. The reason why I'm making this video because the AnTuTu Benchmark application got deleted and from the Play Store. So now you need to find other way to install this kind of AnTuTu Benchmark APK in your smartphone to test your phone performance and get the score exactly. So in this video, I'll be covering this review, and in case if you want to download this APK, you can check the Telegram link. So there in the Telegram link, I'll be directly posting the APK file directly over there. So from there you can just download the APK. That's very easy and simple. So there is another method how you can actually do. You need to go to the Google Chrome and just type the AnTuTu Benchmark APK or open the antutu.com, as you can see here. So this is a website you need to go through. I prefer to use joining the Telegram and directly downloading the APK is another best idea, where you can get plenty of other APKs from there. As you can see, when you open this website, you do get different kind of options here. So you can download directly the latest version here, as you can see here, AnTuTu Benchmark. So just click on the download. So you'll get this kind of error message. Just ignore this one. So once you ignore the message, you can get this kind of APK download. As you can see, click OK. The APK will be downloading meanwhile. So now you can go back and you need to download the another file, which is the 3D rendering file, as you can see. So download the 3D file. Just click on the 3D file. So you'll get the same message and click on the details and visit this website. So now you'll get the option to download the 3D file as well. So which will be quite a huge file, the 3D rendering file, 588 MB, as you can see clearly. So in this way, you can actually download and install the AnTuTu Benchmark application in your smartphone. So you can actually check your AnTuTu Benchmark score in your device as well by installing this kind of AnTuTu Benchmark score. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this AnTuTu Benchmark application. And right now I'm using the Mi Note 10 Lite in this video as an example as well to demonstrate the AnTuTu Benchmark test. So I'll see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.